There's a sign for a desert beaver. That's a fox. It's awesome. It's Prince. Let's go investigate. Dude, check out this rock formation here. It's freaking awesome. Let's go explore. Let's get it. Is that the bridge? I don't want wet boots all day. I want wet booties. Going up. Found the secret grotto here. Secret grotto. Oh, clay. Claymation. Oh god. It's freaking names. What the hell is in there? Alright. Cool. Let's get it. Hello. It's a nice trail. It's a 1.5 mile round trip. Not bad at all. 3/4 of a mile each way. Oh, my vertigo's kicking in already. Very nervous. I like these stairs. Oh, there's a river in there. It's cool. Santa Clara. This is my type of hike. Whoa. Freaking, quick one. Oh, look at that. See the gap. I'm out of shape. What the fuck? Also, I'm wearing my moto jeans, which are sweating. I wore my pair of shorts underneath and I didn't take them off because I'm an idiot. No wonder I secure my bike properly, and I did set my bag on fire a little bit. I rested on the exhaust. Dude. Epic. Epic. A fool. This is nice. I feel like I'm almost there. Oh my god, I almost broke my ankle. I feel like there's large crocodiles down there. Maybe. It's pretty nice in the shade. And it's no route finding, it's no bouldering. It's my type of hike. Hopefully I'm there soon, because I'm out of shape and exhausted and hungry. It's freaking cool. It's a good choice. Recommend it. There's a sign for a desert beaver. That's a fox. It's awesome. It's Prince. Let's go investigate. I'm a friend. Where'd the desert fox go? That thing was sick. Good boy. Oh, I can hear him. It's like a jackal. Dude, we're in the Echo Cavern here. Whoa. Hello, hello, hello. Good echo. Oh, we got the Rio Grande there. That's awesome. Just gotta make it to that side and we're in Mexico. Something like that. I can do it. Water's very frio. Look, I taste it. Fountain of Youth. It's a good hike. I recommend it. It's easy on the knees.